What's going on, guys?
Hello.
This is John and Ronald at Team-One Automotive. Here at Team-One, we have a big appreciation for vintage signage, and today we're going to go take a look. So, Ron, please lead the way.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
To the crib.
Oh. Okay, so I got a couple signs here that I'm biased towards. This one is probably my favorite. I actually found this sign at the 100-mile yard sale, which is just north of Bartlesville on 75. It goes all the way up into Kansas, and you drive down, and it is literally a 100-mile yard sale. You'll see all types of stuff, and so I found this Texaco sign, and then also this Fuelman sign, and ended up working a deal on them, and brought them back here into the shop. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. You're gonna see all types of stuff today. Gigantic Texaco sign, Exhibit A. Pennzoil, Valvoline, Phillips 66. Bar parts and accessories in Jeep 4x4. And we can't forget about the Holley high performance carburetors right here underneath the other Mopar Neon. We love our Mopars here. Golf, not to be confused with golf. Firestone, Hurst 4-shifter, absolutely legendary. You have to have it, you know. And you know, vintage Team-One sign. A lot has happened since 2009, which explains its condition. Skelly, Valvoline again. Ferrari sign. I don't know if I've ever actually noticed this here. I'm probably going to be noticing a lot of signs that I haven't seen here before, but that's a cool one. US Tire, Red Crown Gasoline, and Porsche. Very not vintage. Get Lamborghini M and Super B. We can't forget about old Sinclair hiding back here. She's a beaut. And probably went the most local of all of our signs. Phillips 66, right here in Oklahoma. Bartlesville, do your research, okay? And of course Conoco, which eventually merged with Phillips 66. And then maybe a you know, post-merger or something, I don't know. A lot happens with those companies. Getty, Castrol, more Castrol, and our most favorite sign of all, Team-One. We also had this one made to designate our parts and service office up here, with our little Team-One guy up here as well. You can see he's got a tire, he's got a little can of oil, he's ready to get your car fixed up. Mapco Speedway coils, I don't really know the history on this, but it's really cool. It's awesome. This is how they used to test spark plugs back in the day. So Champion probably have this sitting in some shop or, you know, service department or something like that, and you could actually come up and put the spark plug in here. If you want to come look at this, they actually used to look a lot different than they do modern day, but